Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Yellow color. A. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. B. B for butterfly. B for bag. C. C for candy. C for cap. D. D for dog. D for donkey. E. E for eggplant. E for ear. F. F for fish. F for fan. G. G for girl. G for girl. G for goat. Pink color. H. H for house. H for hand. Blue color. I. I for ice cream. I for eyes. Pink color. J. J for joker. J for jug. Blue color. K. Blue color. K. K for kite. K for king. Pink color. L. L for lion. L for lemon. L for lion. L for lemon. Blue color. M. M for mango. M for mango. M for mosquito. Pink color. N. N for nose. N for neck. Brown color. O. O for owl. O for orange. Purple color. P. P for piano. P for pink. Brown color. Q. Q for quiz. Q for queen. Purple color. R. R for ring. R for red. Brown color. S. S for star. S for sister. Purple color. T. T for tomato. T for tower. Brown color. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Light green color. V. V for village. V for vegetables. Red color. W. W for water. W for watermelon. Light green color. X. X for xylophone. X for Christmas. Red color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yellow. Light green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So kids, what we learned today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with new topic. Till then, bye.